Good day. We're Group 12, Jerry Jasper Jasmine, Edwin Alfonso Solano, and Paul Joven Primero. This video will show how to make an RJ45 cable connector. What is RJ45? A typical RJ45 is a standardized interface which often connects a computer to a local area network or Ethernet networking. RJ45 stands for Registered Jack 45. Each RJ45 connector has 8 pins and 8 separate wires. It is typically called 8P8C, which stands for 8 position, 8 contact.
Good afternoon guys. Today I'm going to show you the materials that are needed for making the RJ45.
This is an Ethernet cable or LAN cable. A Cat5 or Category 5 is a network cable that consists of 4 twisted pairs of copper wire terminated by an RJ45 connector. The crimping tool is used to join the RJ45 male connectors and the LAN cables by pressing them together and creating a seal or crimp. The long nose pliers are commonly used for holding and securing the wire, especially in tight spaces. This one is an RJ45 male connector that are modular plug-in components found at either end of an Ethernet cable. And the last one is a LAN cable tester that is used to verify that all connections are properly set up and that there aren't other connections that are unintended in a cable that is being tested.
Here are the materials and steps that are needed for making the RJ45 cable connector. First, use a wire stripper in order to remove the cable jacket. Next, undo the twisted wires and separate each wire from one another. Straighten the wires and arrange the wires according to the color diagram for an RJ45. Using a wire cutter and a crimping tool, cut the excess wire on your cable. After that, you can insert the wires to the RJ45 Ethernet crimp connector. Make sure that every wire is arranged properly according to the color coding for an RJ45. Clip the RJ45 Ethernet cable connector and squeeze the crimping tool to secure and lock the wires on place. To make sure that it was properly crimped, try to pull the connector from the cable, and if it doesn't move or got removed, it is properly installed. For the other end of the cable, just repeat the steps and the process.
Use a LAN tester to check if your RJ45 is working.